Question 7. The population of country M can be estimated by this growth model. So the population is A times 1 plus K over 100 power T, where P is the expected population. So we can find how much population in the country using this formula. A is the population in the year 2017. So how many people are there in the country in 2017? K is the growth rate and T is the number of years after 2017. So population of the country in 2017 was 30 million. That means this one was 30 million. Assuming that this population increased with a rate of 3%. So K is 3%. Estimate the population of this country in the year 2050. So from 2017 to 2050, how many years is that? 2050 minus 2017. So you can find 50 minus 17. It's about 33 years. So after 33 years, they want us to find the population. So you just sub everything inside. 30 million 1 plus K is 3%, so you write 3 over 100, then 33 years. So 30 million times 1 plus 3 over 100 power 33. So we get 79,570,057 people. This is the estimation of how many people will be there in the country in 2050. Okay, so from 30 million, every year it increases by 3% for 33 years. So this much. That's it.